We just arrived in Newport Richey, Florida. We're back at the Starkey site at the Wilderness Camp. We're or Wilderness Park. We're going to be working down on the Starkey track with the Southwest Florida Water Management, and we'll be doing some refresher classes, 3 refresher days with the guys. I always enjoy coming down here. We started working with them probably somewhere around 25 years ago, I guess. And so I have I've gone through most of the old folks. They have started to retire a little bit, got some new ones. So we'll be up to 3 classes, probably about 30 or so for the next 3 days. But we have a lot of sand pine, more or less, to take out down off the power line, and so be looking at some different situations. I usually let them kind of work in teams on these refreshers. It's just kind of get their minds focused back on stuff, but to kind of take a look at some real pressures and binds, hanger trees, that kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to it. "81 degrees today, February, Newport Richey, Florida." Just walking around the park here a little bit, looking at some different storm situations that have fallen, and kind of been over, making some spring poles and some trees that have uprooted over the past couple years, some dead ones that have very little holding, heavy leaner halfway uprooted into another tree. So it's a full-time job to keep these things kind of cleaned up along the trails. But hopefully they start working on that stuff pretty soon. But I find that it's important that we have these refresher days, because it definitely makes a big difference. That's some planning. We're kind of reviewing, looking at some leans, and then we're taking and looking closely at some groundwork this time. So hangers, take a look at that, revisiting, kind of refreshing on the felling. And so it's a well worthwhile week. Had a good time with it. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I did, and hopefully do it again. think they do the refresher every 4 to 5 years, so they have everybody come back in And this one's kind of for them. We just kind of answer questions, kind of review things as far as planning processes, looking to see how they've upheld the maintenance on their saws and that kind of thing. And yesterday went really good. And it's 84 degrees today. It's going to be a good one.